Hi all, we're going to take a look at the current situation. Um, Upper low coming northeast out of Georgia. Okay. High pressure scooping up lots of moisture up the east coast along with this upper level low. This area, very heavy rain, is going to be moving up through the Delmar, Pennsylvania, New Jersey. If you didn't get rain today, you didn't get as much as you would have liked, say from just east Lancaster over to the coast. Get ready for tonight. There'll be some beneficial rains tonight for sure. In the media here, we picked up 0.20. That's it. Look for a general 1 inch to 1.5 inches of rain, say after 10 p.m. Some thunder, some lightning. Nothing severe though. Maybe a couple of big booms of thunder. Make it interesting night. It'll be breezy and feel very tropical. Dew points are going to be running in the low, around 70 to low 70s. Temperatures may not get out of the 70s tonight. All this moisture is going to come through. And you get this area down here in North Cuba. We'll take a look at that. Indicative of maybe south of Cuba. Let's take a look at that now. Alright, let's get at telecast.com. Thank you for using your site there. I want to take a look at my blog from the other day. My blog from the other day on liveweatherblogs.com, we talked about maybe some development down here, Caribbean, right in here. In the Western Caribbean, I thought maybe we'd get a depression form or a tropical storm Nicole even by Tuesday. I'm thinking it's this area here we're going to have to watch, and maybe this one over here early next week. In any case, thoughts are of development would occur south of the Dominican Republic. Again, it looks like it's going to be over here. Gave 3 tracks and the possibility of anywhere in this location. Thinking this western track right here up the coast is most likely for Wednesday night, Thursday, for whatever comes of a disturbed area here set to a tropical depression or a storm to Nicole. But we'll wait and see on that. In any case, high pressure here, lots of moisture is going to come up the east coast again. And there could be rain straight down through the Piedmont along the coastal sections. Something we're going to have to definitely take a look at and keep an eye on. Let's go to the rainbow imagery. Again, an area I was taking a look at is right in here. Another area flaring up here. We're going to have to keep an eye on this entire area, see if we get a couple systems, if not one, maybe 2. You can see the flow coming up the east coast here in front of the trough. That'll tend to take anything that's down here up in this direction. And again, we're going to have to wait and see if low pressure develops up here as well, and we get a wave of low pressure and lots of rain. Could be in store for Wednesday and especially Thursday night. Let's go to hamweather.com. Hamweather.com also shows copious amounts of moisture coming up the east coast. This is pretty significant rains coming up the east coast, folks. And look at all the disturbed weather down here in the Caribbean. Sorry that there's going to be some sort of development down here that's going to be coming off to the north. Whether up and gives a lot of rain, or maybe it just comes up and kind of like edges off out into the ocean, just off the Atlantic. And it remains to be seen. This is all a possibility, folks. Something we're going to have to take a look at. All right. Take a look at the water vapor map. Water vapor map. Usually it gives us a pretty good clues of what could happen. So let's take a look. Well, water vapor map today. And let's give it a second to load. You clearly see the upper level low right in here, and you can see it's scooping all the moisture up. So eject out. But once again, there's going to, we'll have to wait and see what happens here. And eyes peeled down here. Once this trough kind of lifts out and maybe we get a little bit less shear, we something develop down here and come up the east coast. Time will tell. Again, just a possibility. I'm not etching this in stone, but originally round 1 of rain is right here coming up the coast. Take a break a day, 4 hours, and then we get to do it again maybe for our Thursday night. And it could be inches of rain again. Alright, so if you like drought-busting rains, we may be getting a lot. Talk to you later. This is wild weather for liveweatherblogs.com.